Hey YouTube, welcome to a new video. I'm Philip Jacob and you're watching Metal Beings. On today's video, I'm going to show you how a reversing assistant works in a BMW. So right now we are seated in a 3 Series Grand Limousine, and let's say you are going in a very narrow road. So I'm just moving forward. Let's say I'm avoiding some bikes in the middle and I'm just going forward. And what happens is that, let's say I am going to a dead end, and for example, oh no, I have a lorry in front. Now I have to go all the way to the back. Now all I need to do is I can press this button out over here, which is P, and once I press that, the screen comes up like this, and I have a button which says reversing assistant. I click on it. It says reversing assistant, engage reverse gear. Now I engage reverse gear and it says it remembers the last 50 meters. Now all I need to do is just give my braking and acceleration. I'm not gonna touch the steering at all. So now it's fully visible for you guys, and I'm just gonna accelerate. I have to make sure that my surroundings are clear by using the mirrors. But as you can notice, the steering wheel is taking it up by itself, and it is doing the exact same path which I came forwards. So as you can notice, it's taking the same turns which I was trying to avoid that time. It's doing it all by itself. And as you can notice, it's all coming back. Keeping the surroundings in mind, you then start braking. So this is how a reversing assistant works. Now for example, let's say I am driving again forwards. I am doing the same thing. Let's say that you have gone to your house and you have parked it inside your parking space. Now you stop the car and you're going home. So I'm shutting down the engine. I'm coming out. And I'm locking the car too. Now let's say I'm coming the next day morning. I'm opening the car again. I start the car and we are back, and I want to go back in the same reverse. Now all I need to do is go again to the parking button. I'm sorry about that. Click on reversing assistant. And same way, I just give the acceleration and braking alone. Now as you can notice, the steering wheel is again taking up by itself and taking me through the exact same path. So this is how a parking assistant works. So the thing you have to keep in your mind is that the car will remember the last 50 meters, not anything more than that. Now let's say it is past the 50 meters, the system will tell you that the 50 meters is over. You have to start taking it up by yourself, and there will be all indications coming up. Now let's say, for example, you've parked the car and just for a little you move, let's say only around 5 meters back, and then again move forwards. Now it will erase the past memory what it had. The last reversing what you did, or the last forward motion what you did, is the only thing what the car will remember. If you do a little bit of reversing and again you go forward, then it will remember only those few meters and you will not be able to do the reversing assistant. So if you have a continuous path, then the next day, if you are doing the reversing assistant or even immediately afterwards, it will remember it completely for you. So I hope this video was helpful for you. I'll see you guys later in another video with another car. Until then, goodbye.